In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your out-of-office status in Asana the easy way. Whether you're planning a well-deserved vacation or simply need to step away from work for a few days, updating your status in Asana ensures that your team is informed and projects remain on track. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to make this happen effortlessly. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Asana platform. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where all your tasks and projects are easily accessible. Now focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu offers several options related to your account settings, so go ahead and give it a click. Next, in the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. This will open up a new window that controls various aspects of your Asana account and preferences. Here you'll find different tabs that address everything from notifications to app integrations, but today we are focusing on setting your out-of-office status. Within the Settings menu, look for the Out-of-Office tab or section. When you find this, click on it to proceed to the Out-of-Office settings page. This is where you can designate the days you'll be out and uninterruptible. Under this section, you will see fields labeled First Day and Last Day. These fields are crucial because they define the start and end of your absence. To specify these dates, simply click on the respective fields, which will bring up a calendar. From there, choose the first day you plan to be away, and then select the last day of your unavailability. As you do this, Asana will automatically save your selections, and all your tasks and projects will reflect this status. Keep in mind that setting these dates helps prevent any team members from assigning you urgent tasks or expecting immediate responses. It's a great way to manage expectations and ensure that your duties are covered while you're away. And there you have it, a straightforward method to set your out-of-office status in Asana. By following these steps, you can relax knowing your team is in the loop and can easily manage their expectations during your time away. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy planning for your time off.